welcome back to my channel, Alejandra Rose, and I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Wow, I can't get the words out of my mouth. Today I have a DIY for you guys. If you guys can see above me, that's the DIY for today, and it is a clothing line, no, what is it called? A light up picture line. I'm gonna call it that. So this is a really simple project. It's not too expensive, and I think it turned out great. So let's get to it. First thing you will need are some lights. Next, you will need some clothing pins. I got some pictures developed at Walmart. I got about 20 of them for $5. They are ocean themed because my project is ocean themed, but it depends on your ideas. Next, you will need some glue. I got these two for $1. And finally, you'll need some glitter of your choice or paint if you don't want glitter. Mine was just in my drawer, but you could also buy some at the dollar store. First, I decided to get a piece of paper on my desk to not make a mess. And what I did is I took a little paintbrush and painted some glue onto the clothing pin. Next, you will need some glitter or paint. I chose 4 or 5 glitters to go with, and I put them on separate pieces of paper. Next, what I did is I put down my pin and I dumped all the glitter on it to make sure that all of it was covered with glitter. Next, I go ahead and just take the excess glitter off. And now I have made 20 pins full of glitter. Next, I am going to take my lights and start nailing them to the wall. And here's my empty wall. I decided to take a hammer and some nails to nail it down, but you could always use some command strips or hooks, I guess they're called, to hook it up to the wall. And I decided just to go with nails and hammer as it was easier for me to do that. So I go ahead and made 4 lines of lights. And now I'm just taking my pins and I'm going to pin down my pictures.